Choosing the right motherboard is the foundation of every great build. It dictates your CPU ceiling, your memory speed, and how far your system can grow. In 2026, both AMD and Intel platforms have matured into powerhouses of PCIe 8.0 bandwidth, GDDR5 performance, and WiFi connectivity. Whether you're chasing flagship overclocking headroom, audiophile-grade sound, or the perfect balance of style and value, this curated list breaks down 5 standout boards, from budget-smart mainstream picks to no-compromise enthusiast flagships, to help you build with confidence. Number 5. ASRock X870E. Taichi. The ASRock X870E Taichi is where mechanical artistry, its cutting-edge performance, built on the flagship AMD X870E chipset. This AM5 motherboard supports the full range of AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, giving enthusiasts a clear runway for future upgrades. Asterisk at its core sits a robust 24+2+1 power phase design with 110 ASPS, delivering rock-solid voltage stability, even under sustained overclocking loads, the kind of headroom serious builders and content creators demand. 4 DDR5 DIMM slots support speeds up to 8200 MHz OC, while dual PCIe 8.0x16 slots and 4M to sockets including a blazing Gen 5 slot ensure your graphics card and storage never bottleneck each other. Asterisk connectivity is equally uncompromising. Dual USB 4 Type-C ports, 40 GBPs, 10 rear USB Type-A ports, 5 GBE, and 2.5 GBE dual LAN, and Wi-Fi 7 keep every workflow, gaming, streaming, or professional rendering, running without friction. Audio gets the audiophile treatment too, with a Realtek ALC408 to codec paired with an ESSS ABRE9-19 DAC for reference quality sound. Asterisk beyond the specs, the Taichi's signature exposed gear aesthetic, inspired by mechanical watchmaking, sets it apart visually from the sea of RGB-heavy competitors. An 8-layer, server-grade low-loss PCB with 2 ounces copper inner layers improves signal integrity and thermal efficiency, translating raw engineering into everyday reliability. Asterisk whether you're pushing a flagship Ryzen 9 to its limits or building a workstation meant to last multiple hardware generations, the X870E Taichi delivers a rare blend of luxury design and no-compromise performance. Asterisk number 4. ASRock B860. Steel Legend Wi-Fi. Asterisk. The ASRock B860 Steel Legend Wi-Fi brings rugged style and modern performance to mainstream builders and enthusiasts alike. Powered by Intel's B860 chipsets on the LGA 1851 socket, it fully supports Intel Core Ultra series to processors, giving users a direct path to next-gen AI PC performance. Asterisk under the hood, a 14111 power phase design with 808 drive. Months delivers stable, efficient power delivery for Core, GT, and SA. Ample headroom for sustained gaming and content creation workloads. 4 DDR5 DIMM slots support speeds up to 8666 MHz OC with dual channel configuration and up to 256 GB total capacity, ensuring smooth multitasking and future-proof scalability. Asterisk expansion is well-rounded with APC 0.0x16 slot for next-generation GPUs alongside a PCIe 4.0x16 slot, plus 4M to sockets, including a blazing Gen 5 slot, all protected by a toolless multilayer M to heatsink array for reliable thermal performance under load. Asterisk connectivity punches above its price point. Thunderbolt 4 Type-C, 2, 5G LAN, and integrated Wi-Fi 6E with Bluetooth keep both wired and wireless setups fast and dependable. A generous spread of rear and front USB ports, plus signal hub support for unified lighting control, rounds out a board built for everyday flexibility. Asterisk wrapped in Steel Legend's signature military-inspired aesthetic, brushed metal accents, camo-textured heatsinks, and a rugged, understated design language. This motherboard proves that durability and style don't have to come at a premium. It's a smart, dependable foundation for gamers and creators who want next-gen features without stepping into flagship pricing. Asterisk number 3. ASRock B850 Steel Legend Wi-Fi asterisk. The ASRock B850 Steel Legend Wi-Fi delivers a compelling mix of modern AM5 performance and standout style. Built for gamers and everyday enthusiasts who don't want to overspend to get next-gen features. Powered by AMD's B850 chipset, it supports the full lineup of Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, offering a clear upgrade path without breaking the bank. A 14+1 power phase design with 808 drive months delivers dependable, efficient power delivery, backed by large aluminum heat sinks and an 8-layer PCB with 2 ounces copper inner layers for excellent thermal management and signal integrity. 405 DIMM slots support speeds up to 8000 MHz, OC with dual channel configuration, and up to 256 GB capacity, giving builders plenty of headroom for demanding workloads. Asterisk storage and expansion are well-rounded for the segment. APC 0.0 by 16 slot pairs with APC 4.0 x 16 slot, while 4M to sockets, including APCIe Gen 5 slot, cover fast NVMe storage needs. Networking rounds out nicely with 2, 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7, keeping both wired and wireless connections fast and future-ready. Asterisk. What truly sets this board apart is its flagship class, Realtek ALC408 to audio codec with ESS Sabre class DAC implementation, a rare inclusion at this price point, delivering reference quality sound typically reserved for premium boards. Paired with its clean white and silver aesthetic and integrated RGB lighting, the B850 Steel Legend WiFi stands out visually while punching well above its price class in features. A smart pick for builders who want premium touches without the premium price tag. Asterisk number 2. ASUS ROG Strix X870EE Gaming Wi-Fi asterisk. The ASUS ROG Strix X870EE Gaming Wi-Fi is a flagship caliber ATX motherboard that blends aggressive engineering with the Republic of Gamers' signature design ethos. Built on AMD's premium X870E chipset with AM5 socket support, it's ready for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, offering enthusiasts a durable, upgrade-friendly platform. Asterisk power delivery is a standout feature, with 18 2-to-power stages, rated at 110A and dual 8-pin per-call to connectors, ensuring rock-solid stability, even under sustained high-core count workloads and aggressive overclocking. 4 DDR5 DIMM slots support speeds up to 8400 MHz, OC with up to 256 GB total capacity, while a built-in clock generator isolates CPU-based clock from memory and PCIe speeds, giving overclockers precise control without compromising system stability. Asterisk. Storage and expansion are exceptional for the segment. -1M, 2 slots, 3 PCIe 0.0 with heatsinks and Q-releases the DIY installation, plus PCIe 0.0 x 16 graphics support. Deliver serious bandwidth for next-gen GPUs and ultra-fast NVMe drives. Connectivity is equally comprehensive. Dual USB 4 ports, 13 total rear USB ports, 5G LAN, and blazing fast. Wi-Fi 7 keep every workload connected and responsive. Asterisk. Audio gets the ROG SuperMEVS treatment with an ALC480 codec delivering high-resolution 32-bit, 384 kHz, playback and Dolby Atmos support, backed by a Savitech amplifier for premium front panel sound, wrapped in ROG's bold, futuristic design language with customizable RGB lighting. The Strix X870EE in their true enthusiast board, built for extreme overclockers, high-refresh gamers, and creators who demand flawless performance without compromise.